Whoa. Are you telling me that the super romantic dinner you planned for us tonight was a fucking breakup dinner?
Okay, you're immature. You are starved for attention.
No. Okay, you didn't answer the question. Did you, or did you not, plan to take me to one of LA's nicest restaurants to break up with me?
Fine, yes. I thought if I took you to a place that nice, you wouldn't go all psycho on me.
Wait, so let me get this straight. You were prepared to shell out hundreds of dollars to avoid me going psycho on you. Otherwise known as having basic human emotion.
Yes.
Well, Cupcake, may I kindly suggest that you walk down to the LA fucking PD and hire a team of detectives to locate your goddamn ballsack, seeing as it probably detached in the last 28 years. In fact, let's start the search party right now. No time like the present, right? Oh, and look at this. How convenient. Everybody, start looking. We need an APB on Chad's balls. If you need a visual, check all the milk cartons in the building. There might be a picture of missing. No! Get off of me, sir! No!
Motherfucker! You bring dope in this house, motherfucker! Dad! What's wrong? You know what he was doing? He was banging dope in my fucking house!
Dad, I got him! Dad, I got him! You need to leave. He could be getting his fucking gun. Go.
Man,
just go, Mamon.
man, dude, I didn't mean to leave shit in here, bro, but it wasn't cheap. It was just a little coke for the party.
Stop, man.
Like, fuck you, Holmes. Man, you think you're all bad because you're Bobby's number one and you're fucking his daughter?
Go home, Mamon. I ain't fucking with you.
You got a lot of fucking nerve, man. Like I'm such a fucking loady. Shit, I wasn't even here when she OD'd.
Don't you ever talk about my mom or my girlfriend or shit else. Get the fuck out of here.
All right, man.
Go home, Mamon.
I'm gone, man.
Fuck. What are you looking at?
Thank you, Jenny. Next up, the dangers of shaving. Why 28,000 men on average yearly have casualties when trimming their genitals.
28,000? You're right. I mean, who even shaves down there? Right? What, really? No, seriously. This is something that we do now?
Okay, we are not doing anything together. I'm not shaving my pubes with Will or nothing. I mean, as sexy as he is.
Well, thank you, but the same synonym. Okay, no, you put a razor down there.
It doesn't look like a skinhead or anything. I'm just talking about a little manscaping.
Manscaping? What the fuck is that? You shape it up like topiary?
I can't believe that we're talking about this.
Okay, well, I know that girls are supposed to do it.
Oh, yes, they need to.
But us?
It's common courtesy.
So, Chivalry has moved from holding the door open to shaving your dick?
You should still hold the door.
Okay, tell me what you guys do.